So, I decided to do my final project on a 2 by 2 matrix calculator. And basically, what it does is allows somebody to enter values in for two different matrices and then perform three different operations on it. So, I have some music in the background, so it's not as boring and it kind of helps me out too. But anyway, the first function I used was read data. And originally I had int placehold left bracket right bracket, but since we had to add a pointer, I decided to just change it to int and then put the pointer after and then placehold because they were both pointing to the starting element in the array anyway. So I decided that'd be a good place to add it. Then I have a while loop in there. Placehold size is set to 0 so that it loops 4 times because since it's a 2 by 2 matrix, they can only input 4 different values within the array. In int main I have some declarations, all my variable declarations, and then I output a statement to let the user know how to input and to read the matrix so they don't get confused about what number goes where. And then I asked them how many matrix problems they have, and then I received that through SYN and I stored it into problems, the variable problems. And then I have a for loop right here, and in that for loop I give the user the option to add, subtract, or multiply their matrix or matrices, and I store their choice inside a variable called choice. And then I have the user enter 4 separate values for 2 separate matrices, and so and I do that through the read data function from the top. And then I give the user, well, based off what the user chose to add, subtract, or multiply the given matrices, I did a couple of equations and algorithms and stuff, and so then after I did all that, if they chose add, sub, or mult, it would output based off the math there. And if they for some reason chose something different, it's supposed to output this is not an option, and then they would have to go on to the next problem. And so yeah, that's my project. Here's what it looks like when I run it. Oh, you can see my iPhone. Cool. So the following matrix should be input and read as follows, blah blah blah. How many 2 by 2 matrix do you have? Also, I have 3. So add, subtract, I'll say add. Enter 4 values. Random values. Enter 4 more. There's your new matrix. So now I'll choose subtract. There's your new matrix for subtract. And then last, I'll choose multiply. Wish I would have made this earlier this year. Definitely would have helped in math homework. And there you have it. It exits the program after the 3 times because I input that I had 3 problems. And so yeah, that's my final project. And I'm gonna blab for like 4 more seconds so I get 5 minutes. Okay, cool. Thanks. Bye.